pour some burritos. Some El Monte beef and bean burritos. Some of my favorite. And we're just going to enhance this recipe a little bit. We're going to take some red sauce here and pour it right on top. Because wet isn't better when it's wet. Okay. Then we're going to take some green chilies to add a little bit of spice here. Kind of pour it on there. Okay. Spread it out if you want a little bit. Then we're going to take some Mexican blend cheese because everything is better with some cheese. And why not the Mexican blend? Go ahead and pour it on there. Be generous. Okay. Then we're gonna take some pico. I'm kind of biased. I make the best pico ever, but for time's sake, we're just gonna buy some store-brand pico and kind of scatter it on top a little bit. Spread it out to your liking. Then we're gonna take a fresh lime. I kind of roll mine out to get the most out of it. Loosen up the pulp a little bit. But we're gonna take it. A lot of people don't know. You don't put it this way, you actually put it this way to get the most out of it. We're just gonna squeeze it on there. Okay. Then we're gonna take some fresh cilantro. We're just gonna cut it a little bit on top. We're not gonna do it real small, but kind of chunk it a little bit. So if you don't like that potent taste, you can always pick it off. Then we're gonna bake it at 350 for about 30 minutes. Okay guys, so it's done. Smells nice and good. We're gonna do the fun part. I usually let the kids help me with this because it's crunching up some chips. We're just gonna take a nice handful and just crunch it up, and we're gonna spread it over top. I'm making a bit of a mess. Okay. Go ahead and for that nice texture of it. Okay. We're gonna take some sour cream, my favorite, a household essential for me. We're gonna take our cookie scoop. We're gonna go ahead and be generous with it and go ahead and scoop it on top. I like to spread it out just a little bit. Okay, you'll see why in a second. And then the guac. We alternate it with the scoops of sour cream. Okay, so we're just gonna take it and scoop it every other area here. Okay. Super yummy, it smells so good. Okay. Let me go ahead. I want a little bit of sour cream and guac here, so I'm just gonna do that. Take a nice good piece from the middle here. Chop it up. It's a little messy, but means it's gonna be better. Okay. It smells so good, guys. Just gonna cut a piece here. So good. Family favorite for sure.